Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to add a location now. First, open Maps and confirm location services are on. This lets Maps pinpoint you and save accurate coordinates. If you want saved spots across devices, make sure you're signed into iCloud. Once done, tap the search bar, type an address or place name, and press Return. Maps will show the pin. You do this so the app can locate the exact spot before you add it as a favorite or drop. Now drop and refine the pin. Tap and hold on the map until a pin appears. You'll want to zoom in and drag that pin to the exact curb or entrance. Precision matters for navigation. Once the pin is placed, swipe up the pin card to see details like address, coordinates, and available actions. Make sure to check the street name and house number. If it's off, nudge the pin again so future directions start from the right spot. Finish by saving or sharing. Tap Add to Favorites to pin it permanently, or create Label to give it a custom name you'll recognize. If you need someone else to get there, tap Share and pick Messages, Mail, or another app. Make sure saved locations sync by enabling iCloud for Maps. If the pin won't save or shows wrong place, toggle location services off and on, force close Maps, then reopen. That usually clears cached location errors and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.